terms skin lightening and skin brightening often confuse people, but they serve different purposes. And with the right layering, you can use both safely and effectively in a routine. So what's the difference between these two terminologies? Skin lightening products target hyperpigmentation, dark spots, melasma, and uneven tone. They usually contain ingredients like kojic acid, herbutane, azelaic acid, or licorice extracts. That's for lightening products. While for skin brightening products, it boosts overall radiance, glow, and skin clarity by increasing cell turnover or boosting hydration. They usually include vitamin C as the ingredients, niacinamide, alpha hydroxy acids, beta hydroxy acids, lactic acid, or exfoliating enzymes. So this is what differentiates these two products, performing two different functions. One, their ingredients sets them apart. One, the ingredients is actively for hyperpigmentation, melasma, and uneven skin tone, while brightening lotion is usually more hydrating in nature, helps to improve your radiance. So those are the differences between these two and their functions on the skin. So the question now is, how do you use both without confusing your skin? Because a lot of people do that. Let's break it down. This is how you go about it, besties. In the morning, after your shower, apply your brightening body lotion all over your body. This keeps your skin radiant and hydrated throughout the day. If you will be stepping outside, don't forget sunscreen on exposed areas like your arms, legs, and neck. This is key to protecting your progress. That skin radiance, skin glow progress. You applying your sunscreen before you set out on exposed area of your body would help improve the progress brilliantly. Not like one side is lighter and one side of your body is darker. No, you need to protect while you're using brightening products and lightening products. While at night, your skin repairs itself. That's what the skin generally goes through when we are sleeping. So this is the perfect time to use your skin lightening body lotion. Apply it on targeted dark areas like your knees, elbows, inner thighs, or uneven patches on your body. Then go in with your brightening body lotion on the rest part of your body to maintain that healthy glow. The word there is what? Healthy glow. There are all sorts of skin lighteners out there. You have dark, dull complexion. Your skin used to be uniform. If you are brown skin, the brown skin is uniform from head to toe. But as time goes on, it's looking way darker than what it usually looks like, right? And the next thing that pops up on your mind is to get a lightening body lotion. That's the first thing that comes to mind, right? And you go for those products. All sorts are on the markets, right? Without considering the kind of ingredient that are in there. You need to be very intentional about the ingredient there. You're not going for harsh skin lightness that would give you unhealthy glow. The glow that is not just appealing to sight. It's not well polished. It's not even, right? The skin has just been battered with harsh chemicals. The end result should be that healthy glow. Not just that you are looking lighter, but you're not glowing. They're two different things. Because you are lighter does not mean you are glowing. You can be dark skinned and you glow brilliantly, healthily, right? This luminosity on your skin is just mind blowing. So just getting lighter is not the result. Healthy glow, it should be your main goal. All right. So what is contained in that your skin lightening body lotion? And how have you been using it? Have you been using the right way? So now I'm just going to be breaking down these aspects now. Melasma as a result of those who have been pregnant before. And after you've put to bed, your skin appeared to be more darker due to hormonal imbalance. So there's this darkening of the skin when you are pregnant. Very dark. That is melasma. And when you put to bed, it actually clears itself gradually, but you won't really bounce back to what your skin used to look like because it's melasma we're talking about here. So you might want to grab yourself a skin lightening product, and you also need to consider the health of your baby as a lactating mother. So you need to be very conscious of what is contained in that body lotion that is meant to fade your melasma. So for instance, if your skin concern is melasma, and melasma is the general body because it's hormonal imbalance due to pregnancy hormones, right? You see the neck is very dark, the face is even dark. I've been there before, so I know. So if you are treating melasma and you're trying to get yourself a lightening body lotion, you need to focus on not just lightening body lotion, you also need to grab yourself a good, well formulated brightening lotion. So you use your brightening lotion in the morning, then you use your lightening body lotion at night. Now, not just on targeted areas, because your case is that of melasma, so it's from head to toe. The whole skin has changed entirely, the whole skin tone. So you need to apply the skin lightening body lotion on your entire body. Don't use it during the daytime. Body repairs takes place when you are sleeping. So I would want you to use your use your lightening body lotion at night. Some will tell you use it twice, morning and night. No, in the morning you're actually not really going to get the benefits. A lot of interruption, the sun and every other thing is just interrupting, right? So you might not really get the effects. It's like a wasted effort. For people that are just put to bed lotion, use your skin lightening body lotion at night for at least 6 weeks, 6 to 12 weeks. The rate at which our body responds to treatment is different from the rate at which the face responds to treatment. Face response to treatment is quicker than the body. So it depends on how your skin picks it up. So just have your mind set to 12 weeks window. That's about 3 months. But you start seeing significant difference in your skin by at the end of 6 weeks. All right. With consistent use. At the end of 12 weeks, you would have seen an even overall skin tone. It's like, oh yeah, my glow is back. Now my skin complexion is back. By 12 weeks, you are guaranteed of that. With lightening product with safe ingredients, gentle, not harsh, not sharp. I'm not talking about 7-day lightening. No, you're not going to get that healthy glow. Like I said, there's a difference. Your skin is even, but it's glowing healthily, right? We are not just focusing on the skin being lighter. All right. So that's for people with melasma. So after you've achieved that even radiant skin glow, you need to stop that lightening body lotion. You also need to know when to stop. That's where people abuse all those things. You need to know when to stop. After 12 weeks, stop. So what you do is that you still stick to your brightening lotion in the morning. While at night, you also stick to your brightening body lotion. We are trying to just balance and maintain what the lightening body lotion has gotten for you, right? For, like I said, brightening lotion is for radiance, glow, and clarity, okay? Because of the ingredients contained in them, all right? We are just trying to maintain what the lightening body lotion has given to you, but that doesn't mean you totally put your lightening body lotion. You still need to go back to it, but not as frequent as when you first started. Because the truth of the matter is, all those active ingredients in your lightening body lotion are tyrosinase inhibitor. Tyrosinase are the enzymes in our body that helps in the synthesis of melanin. Melanin is responsible for that skin darkening. We melanin-rich skin, that's why we are called melanin-rich. We Africans, all right? We have rich melanin in our body. Now, but we are talking of the case of melasma. Pregnancy hormone triggers overproduction of melanin, over 10 times over. All right. So the skin is really darker, accumulated dead skin cells, accumulated darkening of the skin. It's there, right? In fact, the skin texture during that pregnancy period is even thicker. The corneum is thicker, right? The outer layer of your skin that's called the corneum. The stratum corneum is thicker. So if you think you've achieved what you have and you stop using your lightening product, it's only a matter of time. And down through 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you might start getting darker again because those ingredients you stopped are not there to help you inhibit tyrosinase. So melanin will continue to produce itself again because we are richly blessed with melanin. All right. So you still need to go back, but not as frequently used when you first started for the first 12 weeks. So what you do is that you use your brightening lotion in the morning. You also use it at night for maintenance. But in a week, all right, try and introduce your skin lightening body lotion back into your routine just twice a week. So by introducing it just less frequently, 2 times a week, will still help do the check and balance, still help you to just maintain. You won't get darker, you won't get lighter, but well polished, achieved skin tone. So that is how you use it for those who have melasma. Now, for those who have pigmentation on certain parts of your body, like for instance, your face is darker and your neck is darker, hyperpigmentation. Your neck is darker than your face. Sometimes the face is lighter than the neck. Sometimes something like that. Certain part of your body has pigmentation. It could be your neck, it could be your face, it could be your upper arm with pigmentation. The upper arm is darker than your chest area down to your tummy area, your waistline. All right. All those parts of your body that is covered with cloth, the part that are more exposed to the sun seems to be pigmented. In cases like that, whereby you have certain area of your skin darker, your elbow could be darker and your knees darker than the other parts of your body. All these areas I've mentioned, if you have pigmentation there, your own case is different from that of the person with melasma. So your own routine goes this way. You use your brightening lotion daytime for maintenance and glow, right? And that's your lightening body lotion. Use it, restrict it to nighttime use. All right. In your own case now, you won't be applying the entire lightening body lotion on your body, not on the entire body like the case of the melasma. You would only be applying it on that targeted area. You know why? Because if you try to use that skin lightening body lotion on your entire body, the part that is those part of your body that are usually covered with clothes, your inner body, your waistline, down to your thighs, in fact legs, down to your ankle area, right, is well balanced. Your real skin tone is intact there, right? If you use your lightening body lotion on the entire part of your body, what you will achieve is that that part that is well maintained, that your other part of your body that is well even toned, well maintained, your real skin tone would be getting more lighter than that pigmented area of your body that you need to work on. So they won't catch up. You'll still be having uneven skin tone even while you're using skin lightening body lotion, because you're not focusing on the area that actually needs to be evened out. So that is why you only focus your skin lightening body lotion on those targeted area. The neck area that is darker, apply the lotion there. The upper arm that is darker, apply the lightening body lotion there. Your knees, your elbows, your hands, right, and your feet that are darker, you apply the lightening body lotion on those targeted area. For some people, it's the inner thigh. Apply it on your inner thigh again. All right, and the other part of your body that your skin tone is well intact, right? Those lighter area of your body, you now apply your skin brightening body lotion on the other rest part of your body that does not need skin lightening. All right. With time under 6 to 8 weeks, if your hyperpigmentation is not really stubborn, between 6 to 8 weeks, you see an amazing even skin tone. Those pigmented area would have caught up with the other part of your body is actually lighter. All right. Then they will all look well uniformed. At that point, when you've achieved that, okay, you now in the morning, your skin brightening lotion as usual. Then at night, you use your skin brightening lotion all over your body, including the pigmented area that has been corrected. All right, use it for balance, radiance, and clarity. So use your brightening body lotion in the morning and at night after you achieve the result, after you achieved even skin glow. All right, but once in a while, in a week, you have to slot in the skin lightening body lotion on those pigmented area that you've corrected. All right, or you still have some part of your body that is just stubborn, like the elbow where you do have friction, your knuckles where you do have frictions, your knees. Some people just have darker knees. Your feet, places that you know they are still not, they need a little bit of help. Just keep applying on those areas. 2 times a week, try and introduce the skin lightening body lotion on those areas. Another thing you could do after that 8 weeks window that you've achieved even skin tone, no more pigmented area, everything is well balanced, you can pour a bit of your skin lightening body lotion in your skin brightening body lotion, mix it up together, and just use that at night and even daytime too. It will help you balance your skin tone and give you that healthy glow. So that is what you can do. And do remember to exfoliate while you start that treatment. Exfoliation helps your products, your skin brightening body lotion or your skin lightening body lotion to even work better, because your pores will be open and dead skin cells are being slaughtered. So your skin is ready to absorb all the goodness from those your body lotion for effective use. I hope that is clear. So pro tip for you, for even better results, besties, for better results, exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week. This clears away dead skin cells so both lotions can absorb better. You know, I said that. Yeah. So exfoliation is very key. When you're about to start those treatments, start to use that brightening lotion. So if you are getting yourself a brightening lotion and a skin lightening lotion, also try and incorporate a body scrub into it. You know, I always say it. If you are within that age bracket, 40 and above, you don't need physical scrub anymore. You need chemical exfoliant. So you could get yourself an alpha hydroxyl acid body wash, exfoliating body wash. It could be glycolic. If you have glycolic body wash, for instance, you use it only twice a week, 2 consecutive nights. You don't use it in the daytime. That is, if you start this night, you also use tomorrow evening as well. And that's it enough for the week. If you have stubborn, for those who have melasma, you could increase just to 3 times a week. So 3 consecutive nights for your exfoliating body wash. And then you are good to go. And then use your skin lightening body lotion at night. You will see how brilliantly and how effective this is going to look on your skin for that healthy skin glow. As part of your pro tip, apart from the exfoliation routine, you also make sure that always use sunscreen on exposed skin. Without it, both brightening and lightening benefits fades. You won't get that result if you keep exposing your skin to the sun. Don't use too many exfoliating products at once. Avoid doubling up harsh acids with strong lighteners. All right. The last tip for you is be consistent, besties. Don't be in a rush. Be consistent. Results on the body take longer than the face. Usually within 6 to 12 weeks window, you start seeing results on your body. So you need to be very patient with your body, but be consistent with the use of your products. In no time, by the end of 12 weeks window, you would have seen a great change on your skin. Even by 6 weeks, skin individual differs. Skin A under 6 weeks must have gotten amazing result, while skin B has to still be more patient, but at least by 12 weeks you will see amazing result on your skin. So you need to be patient, but consistency is key in achieving a great result. So don't get weary, don't get tired, don't get discouraged along the line that the product is not working. You just stick with that healthy routine that I've shared with you. Exfoliate and use your skin lightening and skin brightening body lotion the right way. In no time you get that result. Trust you me, besties. That's the way to go. And that's it, besties. Daytime brightening for all over glow. Remember that. And nighttime lightening for targeted correction. Simple, safe, and effective. That's it, besties. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more skincare tips for melanin-rich, ageless skin. Thanks for watching, and remember, healthy skin is radiant